Is there such a thing as good debt? If so, what is it and what are some of its characteristics? Should you have good debt? If so, what is the reasoning as to why you should have good debt? We're going to answer all those questions in this video. Now, I'm always going to advocate for somebody, myself included, having as less debt as possible, ideally having no debt and not owing anybody. Creates a sense of freedom, creates a sense of security where you know you don't owe anybody on this earth, and it's a good feeling. But there are some times that you might want to consider having good debt. Good debt has allowed me to be in a pretty good position. It's not permanent debt. It was good debt that served its purpose. So let's discuss what good debt is, what are some of its characteristics, and how it can help you better your life. When we look to define good debt, I think it comes down to two things. It either helps you make money or it improves your life. Good debt can increase, potentially, your net worth, and it appreciates over time. Or like I said, it can make one's life better. So what are some examples of good debt? Well, one of the most common ones you hear all the time is education. Going to college, having education, taking a course, taking a seminar. You might put that on your credit card. You might have student loans. Many consider that good debt. Well, why do they consider that good debt? Well, the main reason is because it can potentially, there's that word again, potentially increase your earning power over your working life. It improves your life. Education, the more educated you are, odds are the more quality of life you will have. If you're educated about nutrition, what to eat, if you're educated about investments, if you're educated about personal finance. So education, student loans are considered good debt because they can improve your life and can make you money by way of allowing you more options for careers, increasing your earning power on average, and that's very important to make that distinction. In addition to education being good debt, the other most common one is to start your own business, taking out business loans, getting a small business loan so you can start your own venture. The thought being that over time, you're going to pay off those debts because you have built a good established business. So again, if we look at our criteria, those two criterias being it helps you make money. Of course, a business, hopefully, ideally, can make you money over time, and it can provide a livelihood for not only yourself, it can help support you, your family, it can help create jobs and help better the community. So that improves your life, that improves the lives of your loved ones, improves others of the community. So initially, taking out small business loan or business debt to start your own business is considered good debt because it makes you money and potentially can improve your life and others around you. Another example of good debt is real estate. So if you bought a home, you paid off your home, that home, of course, housing markets fluctuate. But over time, that house, your home might increase. It might be worth more. In the future, it appreciates, which is a characteristic of good debt over time, than what you bought it for. So my house, for instance, I'm fortunate. I bought it at a really good price. I paid it off. And I know that I can make a really good profit, six-figure profit, when I go to sell this house. Now, I ain't going to sell it until one, I want to move or have a reason to move, which I don't right now, but I would never sell it in in a less than ideal market. I would only sell it when I could make a really good return on my investment. That's why it was a good debt. Taking out a mortgage in the first place, getting a 30-year mortgage on this home, that was a form of debt, but it was good debt because I knew I could pay off my home. And I knew that I bought it at such a low price that more than likely I would make a good profit over time. It increased my net worth by paying a home off that I completely own and not the bank's own. It appreciated in value, and it's made my life better knowing that I have a home paid off. So when you think of good debt, when you start to say, all right, before I take this form of debt out, will it help me make money in the future, such as a small business does, such as maybe getting some kind of training or going to college and getting a degree? Will it help me make money in the future? And does it improve your life? If that debt that you're getting ready to take on can improve your life personally, professionally, financially, then that should be considered good debt. So if you like this video, hit that like button. Do you have any good debt that you currently have? What's your rationale for good debt? If so, leave it in the comments section below. I'd love to hear about your good debt and how it is a good debt. And if you want videos like this in the future on tips and tutorials on how to help you make money, save money, invest money, so you can live life on your own terms and you can make money work for you and not you having to work for money, then hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can get all the latest videos from this channel.